This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making the Surface Pen a recognized input device. First, make sure the pen has a fresh battery or charge. A weak battery causes input lag. Next, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and add a device, select the Surface Pen. Once paired, make sure it shows connected. This initial connection enables pointer features and button mapping, so don't skip verification, otherwise later steps won't affect mouse behavior. Now you configure how the pen behaves like a mouse. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Pen and Windows Ink. Enable the pen pointer or cursor so you see where the tip will act. Map the top or side buttons to mouse actions. Assign single click, right click, or middle click / scroll if supported. Once done, adjust pointer speed and visibility. A visible cursor helps you aim. These mappings are what let the pen substitute for a mouse in everyday tasks. Finally, practice the gestures so the pen feels like a mouse. Use the tip for left clicks and short presses. Press and hold the tip while moving to drag items. Use the mapped button for right clicks or customize press and hold where available. For scrolling, assign the button or use on-screen scroll bars. If things go wrong, repair the pen, check Windows Update for drivers, replace the battery, and restart Bluetooth. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection or responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.